Hello, this is Vaibhav from careerbouncer.com. Today I'm going to talk about last minute preparation for chemistry in NEET UG examination. Here I'm going to cover last 10 years NEET UG paper analysis. So this will provide you the exact scenario about how to approach for NEET UG examination in a very short time period. Chemistry is divided into three parts: organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry. First, we'll talk about inorganic chemistry. In any examination, the most important thing is time management, because in most of the scenario, we see that student usually stuck in some questions or in some particular topic by avoiding the easy question or topics. So managing the time according to the topics is very important. That's why we first talk about inorganic chemistry. Inorganic is less time consuming part of the chemistry. Again, we'll further divide inorganic into various chapters, which will be easy to go through according to their importance. So first one will be chemical bonding, which covers around 2 to 5 questions. In chemical bonding, you have to mainly focus on hybridization, shape, geometry, and molecular orbital theory. You can write these things down on a piece of paper and stick it on your study table. Second will be P block elements, in which you have to mainly focus on group 15 to group 18 reactions. Third will be D and F block elements, which covers 1 to 2 questions, in which you have to mainly focus on potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate. Next important chapter will be coordination compound. It's very easy and very important topic. Don't miss it and mainly focus on NCERT book. Now we'll cover the important topics of organic chemistry. The first chapter will be general organic chemistry, which is very important and most of the students skip it. So don't do this kind of mistakes. In general organic chemistry, just solve the previous year question. The second important chapter in organic chemistry is hydrocarbons, in which you have to cover electromeric effect, isomers, aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid, and last will be naming reaction. The third topic will be polymers. For polymers, you just have to focus on NCERT book. And the last topic will be chemistry in everyday life. From this topic, they ask generally theory questions. The last part of the chemistry will be physical chemistry. Mainly the questions comes from 4 chapters. The first is mole concept. So for mole concept, just practice previous year questions, and that will cover 2 to 4 questions. The second will be thermodynamics. They ask mostly numerical question from this chapter, and it covers around 2 to 3 questions. The third will be atomic structure. That covers 2 to 3 theory questions. And the fourth will be chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium, which covers 2 questions. Now, the focus is how you should approach for the chemistry questions. So first, you should go for inorganic chemistry and solve it, because it is the least time consuming. If you start from organic, then you will be losing time for inorganic and physical chemistry. So just focus on it. So after the inorganic, go for physical chemistry, then end with organic. So now this will be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment below, or you can visit our website www.careerbouncer.com. To get in touch with the expert, don't forget to subscribe our channel. All the best.